How to prepare your gift with the Bamboo Jute Wine Bag. Step 1. Lay out your Bamboo Jute Wine Bag, the perfect blend of rustic charm and eco-elegance. Step 2. Pick the wine, champagne, or spirit your heart wants to share. It's the heart of your gift. Step 3. Set aside your organza wrap filler and satin ribbon tie. They'll add the magic touch. Step 4. Place the bottle centered on the organza wrap filler and secure it using the satin ribbon tie for a soft, graceful presentation. Step 5. Layer in the second organza wrap filler to enhance fullness and visual appeal. Step 6. Gently slide the wrapped bottle into your Bamboo Jute Wine Bag. Step 7. Pull the drawstrings from both sides to close the bag and give it a tidy, polished look. Step 8. Gently arrange the organza wrap filler at the top to create a soft and elegant finish. Step 9. Attach your gift tag with a warm message. It's the little things that make it meaningful. And that's it. Enjoy the moment and experience the true bliss of giving. Simple,